Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be, I made a list because I had a lot of stuff I wanted to talk about, but we're going to try to keep it simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer money into Coinbase, which people are using for cryptocurrency. And I'm also going to show you guys how to get free cryptocurrency through Coinbase. And then I'm going to tell you what I'm currently investing in the cryptocurrency world. Even though I've made videos saying I wouldn't touch cryptocurrency. But what I'm doing is it's really, really low risk. So I'm doing it, but we'll get into that. So first of all, you need to set up a Coinbase account. I'm not going to walk you through how to do that because if you're watching this video, you should know how to set up an account on any website. So it's basic. You sign up and put in your information and you have an account, right? Now, how to transfer your money. Now, it's actually way simpler than it used to be years ago, and the interface is much, much better and cleaner. But what you want to do is you need to first go to your name icon over here in the upper right hand corner, go to settings, and then you go to payment methods. And then from here, you will go ahead and add a payment method, and then you can safely and securely just log into your bank account through that portal, and it will give you access to your accounts. And then you can just transfer it over. So I'm going to show you guys now how to transfer it over. So currently, I'm going to show you guys a little hack. First of all, if you are too afraid to put up your own cash, you could get free money by just going over here. You see earn rewards, and it says $46+. You go here and you can look at all these different cryptocurrencies, and you can get free crypto by doing whatever they say. So basically learning about the cryptocurrency and taking their lessons. So let's look at this one. Let's go through this one together. Earn the graph. Decentralized protocols provide reliable and neutral access. I missed it. The graph is a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data. Okay, I'm reading too slow. It makes this data easily accessible for all. Just as Google indexes the web, the graph indexes blockchain data from networks like Ethereum and Filecoin. This is redundant. This data is grouped into open APIs called subgraphs that anyone can query. Subgraphs make it possible to build decentralized apps that can change how humans cooperate on the internet. You want to know what's interesting about this thing? Maybe I'm not fully understanding it. We're going to take the quiz, but stuff like this already exists. For instance, I noticed that it used Ethereum and Filecoin. Filecoin, if I can recall correctly, is the ERC20 token, which means Filecoin is built on top of Ethereum. Now you could just go to an Ethereum blockchain and do all these things. So I'm not really sure what their purpose is. It says, what information is indexed by the graph? Blockchain data. And we can see, so there we go, boom. I just earned $1 in the GRT, the graph. Okay, let's earn some more. The data on the graph is processed by a decentralized network of computer operators called indexers. Indexers compete to provide the best indexing and query processing at the lowest price. Now that's interesting. Now I can see its purpose. Anyone who holds GRT can help secure the network by delegating their GRT to indexers. By delegating GRT, you can earn rewards and help indexers process more data for the new crypto economy. That's basically called staking. So it's like having a CD. As you hold it, the difference is, well, let's say a high interest yield savings account. You keep the cryptocurrency in there, and they just pay you interest for holding it in an account. In the crypto world, that's called staking. Mining is a little different, is you're using CPU power along with your electricity and all of that to mine it or validate transactions, and you end up getting a piece of reward for that. But staking is much better, in my opinion, because you don't have to keep your machines on. It doesn't run up your electric bill, anything like that. You don't need to buy a rig or build a rig. You can just hold an account and you can close it out. And I'm going to show you an example of staking real quick once we finish this. So what do you earn for delegating GRT to an indexer? You earn GRT tokens. Yes, I earned another $1. Okay. And as more data gets added to the graph, how do you determine what data is accurate and useful? This is where curators come in. Curators deposit GRT to signal which subgraphs they think are the most useful and highest quality. Okay, so it's a voting thing. I don't really like the voting things. I don't think they're going to stay around long. Curators then get a portion of the fees for these subgraphs. Well, if you're paying people to do it, then probably. So it's on the network. I missed it. It said this is not risk-free. Okay, hold on. Oh, well, I missed it. Who identifies high-quality, useful data on the graph? Not miners, not accessible. Curators do. That was easy. All right, $3. See? So anyway, you can do that. Now, I just earned $3, and let's see if it credited to me immediately. We can go to my portfolio, and that's not the first time I've done that. See, there we go. The graph is right in there at $3. The stellar lumens I have, I did the same thing with that. I took it a while ago. It was like probably a year or two ago when I did this, and it's worth $39 now, and my basic attention token is $42. Did the same thing for that. I don't think I have any other ones. No. So yeah, you can do that, and I could take some more. I'm not going to do that now. You guys saw, but there's a lot of them. And the other thing I was going to show you was an example of staking, and you can see it right here with USD coin. But if we go back to the portfolio, it's a little more obvious to see. So we see rewards, lifetime rewards, and we drop it down. We see this is for USD coin. I've been staking this, but not intentionally. I'm going to transfer it out because I'm going to actually start lending it. But just holding the USD coin in my Coinbase account, and it's not even all the way in there. It's actually still pending. You see right here, available balance 747.79. I don't really know if it's staking just the 740 or the whole 5,500. I'm not sure, but these are my rewards, and this is after 2 or 3 days. I made 6.5 cents, which is not half bad. But what I'm going to do with it, I'll be making way more. In fact, I have $1,000 in the thing that I'm doing right now, and I've been averaging $1 a day. Now, a lot of you probably like, there ain't no money. Okay, show me where you can put up $1,000 and make $30 a month, just without having to actually buy an asset that may depreciate, because the asset that it's tied to that I'm using doesn't depreciate. It's like just putting cash in, and I'm getting $1,000. I'm getting $30 a month for the $1,000. When you actually break down that math, and that's what I've been averaging. I've actually been averaging a little bit more than that, but let's just say $1 a day, which is 0.1%. I've actually been doing a lot more than that, but let's just say 0.1%. So yeah, 0.1% daily times 365, that's 36.5% annually. That's pretty good. Okay, so anyway, I'll show you guys that in another video. So let's go ahead with the transfer. So what we want to do is buy, and then let's see what happens if we do Bitcoin. So let's say we want to buy $17,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? And we do a preview buy here. We see the fee is $249.58. That's a lot of money. $250? Nah. This is what you do. You buy USDC. USD coin, which is equivalent to cash. Alright? So we're going to say I want to buy $17,000 worth of that. And I don't want to do it from there. And we say preview buy. And we see what the fee is. Nothing. Now, I have my thoughts on why this fee is nothing. At first I thought it was because it was USDC, and USDC is generally tied to the US dollar, and it doesn't go up or down in value. It just stays a dollar, right? And it's a lot like USDT. And if you notice, Coinbase doesn't have USDT, which has been around for well over 4 years. USDC is fairly new. However, upon deeper research, I noticed that Coinbase has vested stock in USDC, and that's why you don't find USDT on Coinbase's website or as a supported coin, just USDC. So what we're going to do is buy USDC, and then we're going to transfer that over to another platform, and then we're going to convert it to USDT, and I'm going to start lending that out. But let's go ahead, because it'll be available in 6 days. So that's a long time. Let's go ahead and buy that now. Okay, we'll send. I guess because of the amount, they're doing it this way. I guess they have to verify some stuff, but I'm going to check my email now anyway. You can trade your USDC immediately on Coinbase. You can send $1,000 in USDC off of Coinbase immediately, and the rest starting on April 14th. Which, by the way, I believe April 14th is the day that Coinbase is actually going public. So we see right here the exchange rate is $1. So there we go. There we are. So oops, wait, what am I doing? So let's go home and let's see. All right, so okay, there you go. My portfolio balance is $22,572, and my available balance is $1,740. Now I could send this $1,740 off and on over to this other exchange, but the reason I'm not going to do that is again because of fees. Now, if once I transfer this, it's going to charge me probably, let's see what the fee is. So if I send it, I want to send all the USDC I can, and that's not popping up. All right, you have to put your money into the main account. Okay, it looks like my I need to issue another loan, but my main account is deposit. So we always copy. Don't try to type it out. Just copy. Click the copy button. Go back to Coinbase here. We're going to paste that, and let's look at the fee. All right, so you see this fee is not that bad. This network fee is $7.38. When I sent that last time, it was $11. But so it's $7.38, right? If we go back and we say, okay, we just want to send 700, and we continue on, it's still $7.38. So if we just keep sending money every time it becomes available, we end up wasting money in fees. And I know it's like $7, $10 here, but that's $7, $10. I mean, it might take me a week to make that money or a whole day. So I don't want all of it transferred to take like a day. But I don't want to waste any money, so I'm just going to leave it in here, right, until all of it's available Wednesday, and then I'll transfer it all out. So we go back to the portfolio. We see that already my staking has increased significantly. So it's obviously staking, not what's available, but the whole, well, maybe it is staking what's available. I don't know. I think it's doing it off the whole 22,000, because this thing just jumped 2 cents in like not even 5 minutes. All right. So anyway, we'll just leave it in there. We'll let it stake and get a little bit of money from that. And that's pretty much it. So this video is long enough, so I'm going to just leave it there. But stay tuned for the video that I'll make explaining what I'm investing in. You already kind of saw a little snippet of it. And I'll explain all the details then. So I'll see you guys next time.